Feels like a book. Looks nice. Nice package. Now look. And extras. So I have tested these headphones, and let me tell you, the sound is very balanced and strong because of, I guess, because of the dual drivers. It sounds pretty nice on the highs, on the lows, mid. Remember this has the extra connector instead of the 3, you see 4, because it has a mic. There's a mic right here. You have the button right there. Yeah, they're comfortable, and the way they're made, it feels strong. Overall, it's pretty nice. You have this this box with the extra earbuds. Pretty nice case. So yes, I would recommend it. Give it a shot.